Solar energy is becoming increasingly popular as a renewable energy source. It has numerous benefits, including reduced electricity bills, environmental friendliness, and reliability. A solar energy system is made up of several components that work together to generate and use solar energy. The components of a solar energy system are solar panels. The solar panels are the most visible component of a solar energy system. They are responsible for capturing the sun's energy and converting it into DC, direct current, electricity. 2. Inverter. The inverter is a critical component of a solar energy system. It is responsible for converting the DC electricity generated by the solar panels into AC, alternating current, electricity that can be used by household appliances. 3. Charge controller. The charge controller is responsible for regulating the amount of charge that goes into the battery bank. It prevents overcharging and undercharging, which can damage the batteries. The charge controller also helps to prolong the lifespan of the battery bank. 4. Monitoring system. The monitoring system is used to monitor the performance of the solar energy system. It provides real-time data on the amount of energy generated, the amount of energy used, and the battery bank status. Some monitoring systems also provide alerts when there is a problem with the solar energy system. 5. Battery bank. A battery bank is an optional component of a solar energy system. It is used to store excess energy generated during the day for use at night or during cloudy days. The battery bank is made up of several batteries that are connected in series or parallel to increase the voltage and capacity. 6. Mounting system. The mounting system is responsible for securing the solar panels to the ground. The structure is tilted to an angle that ensures maximum output of energy from the solar modules. Solar structure are available in different types and materials. Conclusion. In conclusion, a solar energy system is made up of several components that work together to generate and use solar energy. Solar panels, inverters, battery banks, charge controllers, mounting systems, and monitoring systems are the essential components of a solar energy system. Nowadays, to reduce the complexity, the inverter, charge controller and monitoring system are combined to form a compacted equipment. Understanding these components can help you make informed decisions when installing a solar energy system.